All right, good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I'm going to share this with you right here. This might save you thousands and thousands of dollars. I'm a little pissed off, but I'm going to explain to you why. But check this video out right here. Here in my Toyota Tundra, it's a 2007. You see it got 277,000 miles, going on 278,000. But I had problems with my AC, and I'm going to show you what the problem was. When I went and turned on my AC, the light started blinking. The LED light, the green light. Check this out. I'm going to turn it on. And I've been having problems with this AC for a while. I had a leak, but I have to put Freon in it every month. But it stopped blowing cold air. I was getting ready to put some more Freon in it, but I guess the clutch had locked up. So I took it to a mechanic, and I always get second opinions. And the first mechanic I came to, he wanted to charge $3,600. $3,600 to fix this or put another AC compressor on. So I went to my other mechanic, and he said he can do it for $900, and he said it was the same problem, the clutch. The clutch was stuck, it wouldn't engage. But let me show you a video right here. This will save you some money. I made a video about a year ago. You see it's on May the 1st, 2021. You see it almost got 10,000 views. But listen to what I'm saying on this video right here about the fuse. This is where the fuses are located. Check this out.
Say you go to your truck and you facing your truck, look to the right, you'll see the battery. Right before the battery, you'll see this box right here. It says relay and fuse. Just push that in and raise the box up. And you see I've had this truck for a long time. It's a 2007. I haven't never changed a fuse.
And you've heard what I said. I had it since 2007. I never changed a fuse. Pay attention to this fuse right here. Check this out. I should have watched some YouTube videos before I took it to these mechanics. But check this out. When I took it to the mechanic, he told me that, he did change the AC compressor. He changed the compressor. And I drove off with my truck. About 5 minutes later, that light started blinking again. The light started blinking again. So I turned around and took it right back to him, because I had paid him and everything, right at $938, almost $1,000. And I said, hey, it's not working. So he said, okay, I get it going. So he went. I called him about an hour later. He said, oh, the compressor that I bought, the brand new compressor that he bought, did not work. So he had to get a new compressor. So I drove back by there. I said, you had to get a new compressor? He said, yeah, I ordered a new one and I just put it back in. And he put it back in quick. I said, have you tried changing a relay? He said, no, it's not the relay. I said, okay. So he worked on it about 4 or 5 hours. He called me back and he said he got it running. I said, you didn't change the relay? He said, no. But check this out. I just made another video here today, and look at this. I'm gonna go to my truck. And if you're looking at my truck right here, I'm gonna take this relay box off. Like I told you in the other video, I never changed any relays. And look at this. I'm looking at this, and I'm gonna zoom in on the little schematic. And you see right here, it says MGCLT. That means magnetic clutch for your compressor. So that's a magnetic clutch relay for your compressor. So I'm gonna compare this relay. You see right there, it's black. Luckily I made a video of this before. You see right there, it's black. So it's next to these two brown ones and that black one right there. So I'm gonna put it side by side a year ago and to this one now, and look. the relay has been changed. The old relay was gray, now this one's black. So what you guys think I should do? You know, should I take it? I know I'm not going to take it back, but he did put a new compressor on there. But the problem is he told me he didn't change the relay. So I'm going to tell you guys, before you go off taking your vehicle to a mechanic when you have an AC problem or the light blinking, change that relay out. It's a simple relay. You can pick them up at AutoZone, or you can look in the description below and order one. I think it's between maybe $10 and $20. You can get a little bit more expensive and pay $30, but a $15 or $20 relay will work. So if I would have just watched a YouTube video and changed this little relay out, that would have saved me $1,000. And like I said, the guy before, he wanted to charge me $3,600. It's crazy. But anyway, before you do anything, change that relay out. And you may have some relays that are similar in the box, so you just have to take one out and put it in that spot and see if it worked. So that's the simple solution before you end up spending thousands and thousands of dollars. No, I'm not happy. I screwed up. I should have did a little bit more research. So share this video. Maybe I can get enough views to help me pay for that AC compressor. But anyway, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.